Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Ubaba kaSibongile ke ujabule buza ukuthi why uSamke turned their house into a mansion. Like uSamke made the things that make the post to be done. I'm thinking ukuthi she used imali yelobola kaSibongile or whatever that they took out for uSibongile on the day. Wayesebenzisa ukuthi ke kube so kuhle hayi nayo ke uVelephi wamcongratulate nje ebuhleni, but you could see ukuthi angisho bona ngoba banekwalinyana umcongratulate wabo une-underline conflict. Hayi shem vele kuhambe kahle vele ne. Hayi uSibongile uVelephi a-investigate ngalo ugeli lo kamama kalo mama akhulume izinto hey yazi ngibhoreke ngithi nangumntwana utshela iboyfriend zonke izinto angamelanga amtshele zona, ngithi wakhipha kwasa file yiphi, uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini, wakhipha kwasani. So now uVelephi knows ukuthi kwenzakalani, hamba confront uSamke athi awungazi wena ungifunde ephepheni, wena ungifunda kubo did you know, you don't know me. Hayi shem ngifuna ukubona ukuthi iyophelaphi. And then lo prince lo ubani, mina I thought ukuthi girl is back because bekayocula nani, but the story is developing and they are trying to show ukuthi nje there are things that they are running from laba. While uSibongile decided to return to her job, even though ukwenza umtshelile ukuthi you are not gonna go to that job, yekela lo msebenzi ufilthy nani. At this point uSibongile is not taking anyone's advice, uyenza lento ayenzayo uthi hey ufuna ukuzimela in. The story is portraying uSibongile as this child onganangqondo, because if bekanengqondo this would be the part yokuthi concentrate ku future yakhe, afunde as much as she can, because now une leverage and a person that's going to pay their fees now that uzwana no Kwenzo, and Ukwenzo has their resources. So I don't know why are they portraying her like this, but yeah. Ahambe ke uphethe naye ufuna umuntu wakhe lapha kaNomfundo, athuku Nomfundo athi brika girl brika ayihambi kanjalo nje, ayidumi kanjalo mayizohamba, akekho umuntu wakho la. But later on lo waqina wamtshelile. Hayi man ubona ukuthi Sibalikhulu ufuna ukutshela Ukwenzo ukuthi kwenzakalani nani, but ke ikhathe la asathi uyachaza. We all know that somebody is going to get in and the whole conversation is going to be disrupted. Uvusi almost disrupted the conversation, but dismiss her as per the norm. Now conversation to disrupt her or somebody. Knowing Sibongile and the Dlaminis, Ukwenzo might know only next year ukuthi ubaba wakhe ubaba umdala.